So the first trailer for Cats dropped yesterday, and people aren't so happy about what the cats look like. Okay, listen, it is tricky to do an iconic musical like Cats justice in a movie adaptation, especially when you're changing things up, like for instance, using CGI on cat characters to make a frightening human-feline hybrid nobody asked for. By the way, what was your initial thought when you saw the new characters? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know. So obviously, since the trailer dropped, people have been sharing their thoughts on this new look for the cat-human characters on Twitter. Twitter, my favorite place. Like this one user who tweeted, "Everyone on Twitter reacting to Cats movie. What the actual f***? This is terrifying. Animators in fear they will have to redesign all characters." Then there was this user who claimed the CGI looked a little too familiar and not in a good way, writing, "Bruh, the CGI is so tragic, it's just the Snapchat cat filter." Someone else actually made a really good point about their teeth, tweeting, "The most terrifying piece for me is that all the cats have human teeth." I mean, it is a bit terrifying. Something else people are finding a bit strange is the fact that the cats have boobs, like this user who simply wrote, "Why do the cats have boobs?" Honestly, great question. But aside from these points, a lot of people actually use videos to share how they're feeling about the new look for Cats, like this user who tweeted, "Leak scene from the Cats movie," and then posted this.
"Time to feed my babies." I think they're scared of me. They've never seen this man.
Oh, and speaking of funny videos, this one also made me laugh.
Meow. Meow.
Oh, and then there was this video which took an audience reacting to a horror film and then replaced it with the trailer for Cats. You gotta admit, people are creative. And there are many more hilarious reactions to the film that I just don't have time to share. But I do have one last one that honestly had me crying laughing at 7 a.m. this morning. Someone on Twitter wrote, quote, "Me after seeing the Cats movie trailer with these two photos and I seriously lost it. The cat with the grandma head, I mean, come on." And listen, I am sure there are people out there who love the new look for Cats. I mean, there has to be, right? And if you are one of them, please let me know down in the comments. Also, would love to hear your reactions to the trailer in general. Let's chat about it. Because you guys, that is all the news I have to share with you right now. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss another shared Internet Reacts video ever again. As always, I'm your host, Renee Ariel. Follow me on socials at Renee Ariel, and I'll see you guys next time.